We're going to play our first scale today. This is going to be the scale in the key of G. Hello and welcome to Brooks Guitar Lessons. I am Bill Brooks and we're going to play our first scale today. This is going to be the scale in the key of G. So if you remember, most of you have been to elementary school and you took music class in elementary school and they taught you how to say do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That's the major scale. So I'm not going to tell you what the notes are. I don't want to scare you away. I will tell you that later. But right now I just want to tell you where to put your fingers on the fretboard. It sounds like this. And yes, you are going to be able to do that also, that chord at the end. It's an abbreviated G chord. But here's where I want you to put your fingers. Starting with the third string from the bottom. This is the first string. This is the second string. This is the third string. We're going to play that open. No fingers. See, Mom? No hands, no fingers on the fretboard. That is what you call an open string. Take your second finger, place it on the second fret of the same string. That's the second fret. So 0 fret, second fret. And then on the second string, which is called the B string, that's going to be played open. And then the first fret on the second string. Nope. And then the third fret on the second string. And then open E string. And then, second fret on the E string, bottom E string. And then the third fret on the little E string. Open. And then reverse. So another thing about fretting the frets. Yes, we call it fretting the fretboard when you put your finger down on a fret. Putting your finger down here is not going to be as strong a note as putting your finger here. It's more, see, on the lower notes, sounds pretty bad. So you want to put your finger right behind the fret so you have the most leverage possible. So make the surest note. First string, third fret. First string, second fret. First string open. Second string, third fret. Second string, first fret. Second string open. And third string, second fret. Third string open. And then, after you've done that, hold your finger down on that last third fret, and then strum, only strum the bottom 4 strings for this. that is called a G chord. It's an abbreviated G chord. It's a cheater's version of the G chord, but it does qualify as a G chord. So you just learned your first scale and you learned your first chord. Okay, one more thing. If this is your first time playing the guitar, you are going to have some problems with your fingers because your fingers are made of flesh and your steel strings are made of steel, and the steel is going to make your fingers hurt a little bit. Just practice a little bit at a time. Practice as long as you can stand it. Practice for 5 minutes at a time, 10, 15 minutes at a time. Then, after a while, your skin will get tougher and stronger. You'll have calluses on your fingers, and you'll be able to play to your heart's content. It will take a while to get this thing down, to get the scales down. I gave you the simplest. Your first chord is the simplest chord possible, is the abbreviated G chord. We'll show you the full-fledged, unabridged, real G major chord next time. Hello, welcome. I'm not gonna explain too much about that. So it's going to sound like this. If I put my fingers in the right place. I will see you next time. Have a good day. Bye. Oh, don't forget to